Document 6, NBA insider Kevin O'Connor. Yes, it is about the money. However, it can be about the money and the people, which has been overlooked. If the NBA were to stop doing business with China, that affects so many people around the world who are employed by the NBA in and out of China. From janitors working in the stadiums, all the way to high-end businessmen and women working strategy and public relations. They could all lose their jobs. If China bans the NBA, or if the NBA doesn't work with China, the 1.4 billion people watching basketball in China would be the ones being punished. Many of them might view the NBA as an outlet or enjoyable pastime. Unlike America, if they don't like something their government is doing, they can't speak out against it and could all end up in jail. So it's not like all of the basketball watching Chinese are the ones mad at the NBA right now. There is a lot of people who would be affected by this situation going forward. You're not just giving in or supporting the Chinese government, but sticking with the people of China if you keep the NBA in China. So, is Kevin O'Connor arguing that we should continue doing business with China or should not be continuing to do business with China? And what is the best piece of evidence that he supported?